So now we create a program that gets the user's name, age, school, and grades in pre-calculus, basic programming, and UTS, and get the average. And we're using scanner. So first we need to import, because you cannot use this if you don't import this. So we type this import, then Java to scanner first, then the main method. Then here we create a scanner object. We named it SC. So this is fixed na siya. So here we print, enter your name, then because it's name we use string. Name we use string. So string plus the variable, then the scanner. Then here in his next line, because we use string, so the method here is next line. So here is next, is print this, please enter your age. So age, so we use integers plus number. So integers, age, then the scanner, integers, the variable, then the scanner. So when we use integers, this is the method next int, different from string. Next line, integers next int. So let's proceed. Here we use this next scanner next line, because you use int here, and then so we use string the next, it will ignore this line, it will proceed to this. So we use this to consume the line. So we use system out, print the enter school, so school we use string, data type, then the variable, then the scanner. Next line, because it's string. So next we print your grade in precal. So this is number, so we use integers. We named it PC, then scanner next int. Same here, your grade in basic program. It's number, so we use integers. We name it BP, then the scanner next int. Next, same, your grade in UTS. So we use int, name we named UTS, and the scanner next int. So here we create a formula for average. So the average contains decimals, so we use float or double. Here we use float. Then we named it average. Then this plus this plus this, then divide how many they are. So BC plus BP plus UTS, then divide how many are this parenthesis. So we divided 3. So this is the formula of average. And then we print out. So we print your name plus the name here. Scans here. So next your age plus this your age here, and then school plus school. Next pre-cal plus this. Print out the basic prog. Then UTS. And the next we print the average. In the example output, there is only 2 decimals. So this is what we gotta do. With this modulo, point on how many decimals you want. 4 or 2 in the example. We need only 2, so 2. This is the format. Plus, after the quotation, you need to place a comma. Plus the average. Here. Then we close the scanner. So let's print out. Let's try to run. So 21 yes. Graded pre-cal, so 86, then prog 98 and 87. Then this will be the output. So here the same as the example. So that's it, the scanner class. And now we use the same problem, but we use J option. So J option. So we first thing we need to do is to import. Sorry, this is import first this import Java X dot swing dot J option pane. First need to do is this. Then the main method. Then here, so the user name, so we use string because it's name. So we use string, then the variable we named it name. This is the dialog. The option, the pane show this to show the dialog. Then we print it. Then we center your age, so we use age, so it is a number. So we use integers. So int, we name it age. So here it's not the same to the string because the computer can't read this. So first we type this integer that parse int sysfix for integers, and then the J option, then show the dialog, then reprint the specific, please enter your age, and then here next enter your school. So use string, we named it school. Then the J option, then we show the dialog. Next, we need Prickle. We're in Prickle, so we use integers. We name it PC. Same here. We input first this. First we input this, then this. First we input this integer, the parseInt, then the J option pane, and show input dialog. Same here. Basic prog, so int, then we name it BP. Same here. First input this, then this. You can use also this is the method. You can also use float here. Example, float, then so we float, so we enter this here, float parse float. There you go. So the same for integers. Here, first we input this before this. So this is the format. Same here, next line, same here. Eventually, you will new test. So we use integers here, we name it utest. Then same here, we input this first, then the J option, show input dialog. And next, we create a formula for average. So here we use double, we name it average, then we plus this to this to this, then divide it to 3. And then here next we show the output here. So J option pane, to show the output we type this show message dialog. So here this is for fix, you need to type this before you print out your name. So plus name here. Next the same, plus your age and age here. Then the school. Then the grades, same, plus print out this and then plus this. Same here, and we print out the average, your average. Your average is the plus of the average. And then finally we close the J option. So we'll try to run this. So here is the GUI. So we type this, equal the age, school, grade, so type here 98, 89, 87. So this will be the output. Your name is this, your age, your school, your grade pre-cal, your grade pre-prog, your UTS, and this is the average. So that's it. That's the J option. And now the same problem, but we use buffered reader. First thing we need to do is the same. We need to import this 3. This is important. We need to import this port java.buffered reader. Then this java.io exception. For the Java input stream reader. So this will be the imports. So now let's proceed. Here we main method. Then the exception here. And then the scanner ID buffer reader object. It's the buffer reader. We name it BR, the same as the scanner. For reader, then we name it BR. The new buffer reader. So this is here is fixed. You need to type this. So let's go. We print out the same as the scanner. Print out this, enter your name. And the next line. So your name. So we use stream. We name it name. And then the buffered reader. And read line. Read line because it's string. And then next we print your age. So age we use numbers, so integers. We name it age. And here string and there is different. First, if you use int or float or double, you use first you type this integer. This is fixed. You need to type this before you type the buffered reader. So integer that parse int. When we use float, example float here. So float. So we enter this to float. Float that parse float. That's it. That is example. So we bring back the integers. Then we proceed to the next line. So we print the same school. So we use string name school and the buffered reader. Red line because it's string. So print. Next print is the equating pre-cal. So this number. So we use int. We name it PC. And then the same here. We put this first before the buffered reader. Then here. Next basic prog. So basic prog. So these numbers. Use integers. We name it BP. Then we enter this first integer percent before the buffered reader. And then here the same as here, UTS. So int, we name it UTS, and we put first this before the buffered reader. So here next we create a average formula. So we use it double here, named average. Then we add this 3 and divide it by 3. So we add here PC plus BP plus UTS and divide it to 3. So now let's print out. So we print this, your name plus the name here. Let's read here. And then here, print your age plus age here. Then the school, your school here. So we add this here. Next, your grade in pre-cal. Here, PC. We add it. The same as here. Print out your grade in pre-cal. So what you type this, we'll assign to this. What you type here, we'll assign to the variable. So we print out this. Next, the same. Print out this. And then the average. The same as the scanner. If you want your decimal to be 2 only, you use this format. If you want 4 decimals, so use 4. If you want 1, you use 1. But in the example, we use 2, so we use 2. Here, this is the format. So next, lastly, we close it. Then we run. Try to type here. Age, school course. Then your grade 9, 90, 86. So here, as here, the same as the output in the example. So that's for it for the use buffered reader. Thank you.